Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.
Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Now discussing some problems related to integrations. So these problems are expected questions for your EAMCET exam, as well as these problems based on integration of e power x of f of x plus f dash of x dx. So ఈ formula based questions మనం discussion చేద్దాం. Okay? Now, so here what is the formula? Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to, your answer is e power x into f of x plus c. Okay. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయవలసింది ఫ్రమ్ క్వశ్చన్ నుండి వాట్ ఇస్ f of x, వాట్ ఇస్ f dash of x అనేది మనం ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. నౌ హియర్ ఫస్ట్ క్వశ్చన్, ఇంటిగ్రేషన్ ఆఫ్ e power x of 1 plus x log x by x dx. So numerator లో 2 terms ఉన్నాయి, denominator లో 1 term ఉంది. So now separate these 2 terms. Now here integration of e power x of 1 by x plus x log x by x dx. Now here x get cancelled. So here integration of e power x of 1 by x plus log x dx. So ఇక్కడ 2 terms లో what is the f of x, what is the f dash of x అనేది important. Log x is the f of x, f dash of x is the 1 by x. Log x derivative 1 by x. So here log x is f of x, f dash of x is 1 by x. So our answer ఏమొస్తుందంటే e power x into f of x plus c. అంటే ఇక్కడ e power x into what is f of x here? Log x. Log x plus c. This is your answer. Now second question here. Integration of e power x of 1 minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. ఇక్కడ 2 terms గా మనం డివైడ్ చేయాలి. So here integration of e power x of 1 by 1 minus cos x minus sin x by 1 minus cos x dx. So ఇక్కడ 1 minus cos x అంటే your formula of angle trigonometry 2 sin square x by 2. అదే 1 plus cos x ఉంటే your formula 2 cos square x by 2. Okay, now using this formula, integration of e power x of 1 by 1 minus cos x అంటే 1 by 1 minus cos x 2 sin square x by 2 minus ఇక్కడ sin x of angle formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2. Using this formula 2 sin x by 2 cos x by 2 by denominator లో 2 sin square x by 2 dx. So here 2 get cancelled, sin x by 2 square cancelled. So remaining part integration of e power x into 1 by 2 into 1 by sin square means cosecant square x by 2 minus here cos x by 2 by sin x by 2 అంటే cot x by 2 dx. So ఈ 2 terms లో what is f of x, what is the f dash of x అనేది important. Now integration of e power x of 1 by 2 cosecant square x by 2 minus cot x by 2 dx. సో ఇక్కడ f of x అనేది minus cot x by 2 తీసుకుందాం. సో ఎందుకంటే d by dx of cot x equal to minus cosecant square x. సో ఇక్కడ f dash of x ఏమొస్తుంది? మైనస్ ఇక్కడ cot x డెరివేటివ్ మైనస్ cosecant square x, మైనస్ ఇంటూ మైనస్ ప్లస్ ఇక్కడ cosecant square x by 2 ఇంటూ ఇక్కడ ఇంటర్నల్ డెరివేటివ్ x by 2 కి 1 by 2 అంటే 1 by 2 into cosecant square x by 2. So this is the minus cot x by 2 is the f of x. 1 by 2 into cosecant x square by 2 is the f dash of x. So our answer is e power x into f of x plus c. E power x into what is f of x here? Minus cot x by 2 plus c. And your answer is minus e power x into cot x by 2 plus c using the formula. Here third question, but ఇక్కడ e power x అనేది లేదు. So what is your integration? What is your question? Integration of log x by e by log x square dx. Here this is the question. Okay. So solution ఎలా find out చేయాలి అంటే log m by n means log m minus log n formula apply చేద్దాం. Integration of log x minus log e by log x whole square dx equal to integration of, separate these two terms, log x by log x whole square minus log e value 1 by log x whole square dx. So ఇక్కడ log x square cancel, integration of 1 by log x minus 1 by log x whole square dx. సో ఇక్కడ మనం ఈ ఫార్ములా కన్వర్ట్ చేయాలి అంటే taking the log x equal to another variable t. Log x derivative 1 by x dx is equal to dt. So here dx is equal to x dt. Dx is equal to x dt. But what is the x value here? Log x equal to t. Then both sides taking the exponential, x equal to e power t. Both are taking the exponential, x is equal to e power t. అంటే dx is equal to e power t dt. dx equal to e power t dt. log x equal to t. సో ఈ వాల్యూస్ అనేవి ఇక్కడ మనం రీప్లేస్ చేద్దాం. ఓకే, now 1 by log x t minus 1 by t square into dx అంటే e power t dt. అంటే here integration of e power t into 1 by t minus 1 by t square dt. సో ఇక్కడ టూ టర్మ్స్ లో what is f of x, what is f dash of x అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో ఇక్కడ f of x అంటే f of t is the 1 by t. 1 by t కి derivative is minus 1 by t square. So your answer is e power t into f of t. f of t means 1 by t plus c. This is your answer. What is your formula? Integration of e power x into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power x into f of x plus c. This is your formula. Okay. So what is the t value? Log x. E power log x into 1 by log x plus c. E power log x value x. అంటే x into 1 by log x plus c. This is your answer. Okay, now applying this formula. Now here fourth question, integration of e power x into x power x of 2 plus log x plus dx. So here integration of e power x into x power x plus 2 power log x dx. అంటే here 2 ఎలా రాయాలంటే 1 plus 1 గా రాద్దాం. 2 ఎలా రాద్దాం అంటే 1 plus 1 plus log x dx. So here integration of e power x of x power x plus x power x into 1 x power x plus x power x into 1 plus log x dx. This is the first term, this is the second term. Okay, so ఇక్కడ టూ టర్మ్స్ లో వాట్ ఇస్ f of x, వాట్ ఇస్ f dash of x. టూ టర్మ్స్ లో వాట్ ఇస్ f of x, వాట్ ఇస్ ద f dash అనేది ఇక్కడ ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో హియర్ f of x ఈక్వల్ టు x పవర్ x అంటే f dash of x అనేది x పవర్ x of 1 plus log x by using the differentiation. So x power x derivative taken y equal to x power x. Both sides applying the logarithm, log y equal to log of x power x ante log y equal to x into log x. Okay na. So ikkada log y derivative 1 by y into dy by dx equal to x into log x derivative 1 by x log x into x derivative 1. Now here x get cancelled. Dy by dx equal to y of 1 plus log x. What is the y value here? X power x of 1 plus log x. Ante f of x is the x power x ante f dash of x is x power x of 1 plus log x. So this is the f of x, this is the f dash of x. So your answer is e power x into x power x plus c. This is your answer. Okay. Next, here the value of integration of e power 2x into 2 sin 3x plus 3 cos 3x dx. Now similar formula but small modification here. So what is the ikkada formula? What is your formula is integration of e power kx into k into f of x plus f dash of x dx equal to e power kx into f of x plus c. This is your formula. Okay, the k value 2. K value 2. So ikkada 2 undi ante f of x is sin 3x. F dash of x is sin 3x derivative. Sin derivative cos 3x into internal derivative 3x ki 3. So f dash of x is 3 into cos 3x. F of x is sin 3x. F dash of x is 3 cos 3x. So your answer is, what is your answer? E power kx into f of x plus c. So e power kx means 2x into f of x here sin 3x plus c. This is your answer by using this formula. Okay. Now do this problem. Integration of e power x of 1 plus tan x plus tan square x dx. So ఇక్కడ 2 terms లో what is f of x, what is f dash of x అనేది ఇంపార్టెంట్. సో అప్పుడు ఆన్సర్ ఏమొస్తుంది? e power x into f of x plus c. ఓకే. సో ఇలాంటి ప్రాబ్లమ్స్ అనేవి మీరు మ్యాక్సిమం చేయడానికి ట్రై చేయండి. Thank you everyone. For more videos, please subscribe my channel and share to your friends. Have a nice day. Bye.